Welcome back to my new series of Mumbai, the National Museum of Indian Cinema. Here is in this video we can see cameras, costumes and used to create actual movies and films and cinematography in India during the early days and even in modern days, the history of world cinema and more. So the Indian cinema is very fascinating. Frenchman Louis Le Prince shot the first actual moving pictures in 1888. Finally, the French brothers Auguste and Louis Lumiere invented the cinematography. Early films were in black and white and there was no sound. Then came the live musicians who used to play music and people used to say dialogues. Then came the film with lips matching dialogues and lovely films became to be shot in colors. At the same time, quality of cameras was improving tremendously, and now we see 4K and 8K movies in theaters. In India, the first film was Raja Harishchandra, shot in black and white by Dada Saheb Phalke in the year 1913, which was a silent movie. In 1931, the first film Alamara was with soundtrack. Now India is second largest film producer in the world, producing more than 1500 films per year. And Satyajit Ray is one of the most famous producers and directors in cinema. In Indian cinema, his pictures are Pater Panchali, Aparajito, Pater Pancha, Apur trilogy. The three movies, Pater Panchali, Aparajito, Apur Sansar, and the famous museum in Mumbai, which is the Bollywood Museum, the history of Indian cinema, vintage cameras, and other equipments used in early films nowadays are exhibited in the Indian National Museum of Cinematography. Produced high quality, sophisticated equipments in addition. India also produces the third 3D and 4D films and 5D films. Chota Chetan was the first 3D movie produced in India. Here, here you see many more things. National Museum of Indian Cinema. This is India's official museum dedicated to the history of Indian cinema and Bollywood. It features original movie costumes and props, vintage film cameras and equipments, classic Bollywood posters, dubbing and interactive filmmaking exhibitions. The history of Indian cinema from 1913 to the present day. It is located on Pedar Road, Mumbai, and is a great place for Bollywood fans. Please come and visit this museum. You will love to see and understand many things about Bollywood and its uses. Later, if you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel and comment in large number, and please share it with many people so that they can subscribe to my channel and I can tell people about many more things about Mumbai, India, and foreign, so that I also get motivated to create such beautiful videos and be helpful to people.